Hi guys, welcome to the Moon and Pisces reading. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I've linked the folder of the sun sign readings below if you haven't checked those out yet and would wish to. Now, full moon, Scorpio, we're transforming and we are seeing what's hidden, what's coming to light. Queen of Swords. I think this is you. I feel like this is your energy. If you're not connecting to a Queen of Swords, I really feel like this is you. Because you're learning how to tell truths and let go. And I feel like I don't know, it's creating heat, but you're able to cool it off. You're able to temper the process, what this is creating for you. You're cooling yourself off as you walk through the fire of transformation, and it's allowing you to integrate more light. It's like you're freeing something. It's like, I also feel like a very warrior like presence in here. It's very deep. The connection is very deep. It's still very Pisces, and I can feel it. I can still feel the connection to source energy and the angles. Yeah, the Magician. Yeah, you're still using your psychic abilities, your connection to the oneness. But this transformation is still about being... Okay, you're so easily pulled to the moon. But you need to keep remembering this is about the sun. This is about sun energy right now. And just keep on working with that light. It's that light, it's gonna continue to help you not feel the heat. It's gonna start to transform into manifestation. King of Swords. I feel like now, this is you, just you balancing out your energies even more. This is the actual completion of the transformation that you're manifesting. So now we have balance of yin and yang. This is masculine and feminine, and this, well, these are also counterparts. This is love. This is love of self and also just love. It's the creation of love through letting go and truth telling. Yeah. There's the 9 of Pentacles, the 9 of Coins, right? This is growth. This is Phoenix rising from the ashes energy. When we really temper our egos and we really literally go through a transformation and we let go of some of our pain. But when we do this, yes, it hurts. It's intense, right? But it transforms us. And this is about our path. But it's a gateway through to your heavens, I feel like. I don't know how else to say that. It's like a gateway through to your heavens. To your heaven. Yeah, and there is the pain I can feel. So there, it's beautiful. This is beautiful. This is the love. This is the balance restored. This is beautiful, beautiful energy. And for some of you joining me, this is even like, this is your soulmate love, your twin flame love, your true love, your counterpart love, right? And just self-love, self-acceptance, giving yourself, you know, that sun energy that you always wanted to give yourself when you were a child. And there's the heartbreak. There's the 3 of Swords. There's the pain. But you're releasing it. You're releasing it. Balance restored. Yeah, and there's the wheel. So, all right, let's see what's being hidden. What's being hidden? That's a couple too many. Try that again. What's being hidden? Still wants to give you 3 cards. Okay. So there's the 5 of Cups. And there's the 6 of Swords and the Emperor. So there is the sun. It's actually right there in the card. I can feel like the pull. I can feel the shift through the cards. It's like there's the sorrow. Then there's the shifting from the dark to the light, which creates more room for the light in, which activates, you know, chakra flow. Like there's that beautiful rainbow source energy, and then there's the Emperor with that beautiful sun in the background. And, you know, there it is with the balance restorative, the Six of Cups. And they're connected. These two cards, I can feel the connection in them. The Emperor is the father. He's the tarot's perfect counterpart to the Empress. He represents the side of you that's protective, decisive, and truly stable. He brings clarity of mind, and this in turn leads to actions or decisions. Sometimes this card is literal and points to a paternal relationship in your life. At other times, it suggests reconnecting with the part of you that stands strong and tall and knows just what to do. With help from the sun, the Emperor can see for miles and miles. And it's just, that's what it means. I can feel that there. Alrighty. As it's the full flower moon in Scorpio. Alrighty, kindness. My heart is a deep lake of loving kindness. I count myself fortunate to hold tenderness within my soul. I forgive myself my fears, my failures. I am compassionate towards myself in times of turbulence and change. And that's how you're gonna get here. That's how you're gonna get here. Be compassionate with yourself. Show yourself kindness too, right? Don't forget that. And, you know, this is the blue flower moon too, because it's once in a blue moon. And we're gonna discuss that. I'm gonna do a special reading that day. But I want to thank you for joining me here. We'll see you again soon. Take care.